Hi, I'm Michelle Anzani, Director of Customer Solutions at Southwest Gas. But more importantly, I'm a Southwest Gas customer just like you. For over 90 years, we've taken pride in providing clean and affordable natural gas service. Now we're rebuilding our technology to deliver you an exceptional MyAccount and mobile app experience. I'm super excited for you to see the new system and just how easy it is to use. Let's take a look.
Get started by logging into MyAccount with your most recently used credentials. Your login will still be the same on our website and mobile app. You're just one click away. After logging in, you'll find new interactive charts to help you better understand your energy usage. These can provide deeper insight into your usage and payment trends over time. Another exciting new feature allows you to invite up to 5 guest users to help manage your account. You control how long and what type of access they have, and can easily remove users at any time. If you have multiple accounts, save time by linking them together. Like Sally, she has one account for her bakery business and another for her home. After linking the two, Sally has a single login, which saves her a lot of time. Then there's Bob, who manages both his and his mom's accounts. In the past, he had to remember 2 logins. But now, he's able to log in once to manage both. What's even easier for Bob is making payments in his account. Now he can save his and his mom's credit and debit cards for quick access, and even request a payment extension or installment plan without calling in. Like Bob's and Sally's, your new MyAccount comes with all these features and more, like increased data security to help keep your personal information safe.
While there will be changes to how payments are processed in your new MyAccount, many programs will carry over automatically, like automatic and equal payment plans. We'll keep you informed of any new changes on your bill, in your email, on our website, and on social media too.
With all of these exciting new updates and features, we'll be able to provide you faster, more efficient service. But most importantly, we're here to help along the way.